we also have some of this equipment in our bodies as human beings that can perceive magnetic changes in the magnetic field. And I'll talk about this properly in a future video, but apparently we've got in our eyes, we've got some kind of iron particles, which is the same thing that what some of these other animals have, which, you know, obviously iron is attracted to magnets. And apparently that's one of the things that gives us this ability. And also that apparently there's something in our nose bones, some kind of equipment, which again, other animals have, which, you know, is sensitive to the magnetic field. And what that made me think is that I wonder how many people there are in the world who still have the ability to perceive and to sense that magnetic field. You know, I'd love to hear that. And then another example as well is that there are some people, I talked about smell, and smell can convey information. There are some people who can smell certain diseases. There are some people who can smell Alzheimer's disease and some people who can smell Parkinson's disease. These are neurodegenerative diseases, i.e. diseases that cause the neurons in our nervous system, our brains in particular, to stop working properly and to die. And there are some people who can smell, if someone's got Parkinson's disease, they'll smell it on them. Isn't that amazing? And again, it makes me wonder, like, how many more people are there who have got these kind of powers that we consider a little bit like XMen-ish? But unfortunately, the majority of people in the Western world and in modern societies which are aping the Western pattern, which is most societies around the world, sadly, the majority of us are so, I think there's two things.